Traffic Generator from Absolute Analysis is part of the Investigator test suite that runs on the same hardware as the Analyzer, Error Injector, Impairment Tester and Bit Error Rate Tester. It's so easy to set up and generates full line rate user-defined traffic simultaneously on all ports of the analyzer. It's easy to see how a device or system responds to a range of erroneous data by configuring Traffic Generator to send custom frames. Let me show you how it's done. Traffic Generator uses packet descriptor files to define factors like frame contents, link utilization and interframe words. These descriptor files can be generated by hand, or there's a quick and handy Frame Builder application that will do most of the work for you. Before we get into looking at the descriptor files though, let's open Traffic Generator and see how it runs. I'll open up the Analyzer control window too so that I can show you the resulting traffic. I can set the global link speed here, then enable and disable individual ports for generation. If an individual port needs to be set to a different speed, I can set that here in the port link control area. Next I choose the descriptor file I want to use. Investigator comes with a choice of several types of traffic descriptor, a choice of protocols and traffic patterns, some stressing patterns too. I just choose the traffic I want, enable the ports I want that pattern to be generated on, then we're nearly ready to go. Notice that I can choose to override a loss of signal state by checking this box, or initialize the link by clicking here. If I need to use flow control, I select that here. Notice that while I'm setting the generator up, all the relevant information is being recorded in the logging area. When we're generating traffic, further information will be recorded as we go, and all of it will be recorded to the log file. The logged information can be easily cleared under the View menu, Clear Display. If I look at my Analyzer control window now, I can see that the ports I selected have been marked as TG, telling me that this port is set for traffic generation. Right, we're all set, so let's start the generator. Click on the Start button and the progress bar shows that traffic is being generated. Notice the Statistics pane, which displays all the counters related to the selected port. The current column displays information since Traffic Generator last started, and the cumulative column displays the aggregate counter values since the Traffic Generator application was opened. If I now go to the Analyzer control window, I can start capture. When I stop and view, the viewer opens and I can see the traffic that's been generated. Definition files are text files instructing Traffic Generator how to send traffic. If I open one up, I can show you how they're put together. The first part is the control section, which defines the way the traffic will be sent. Following that is a hex representation of the header. Next comes the payload. If I have a frame in Viewer that I want to resend, then I can copy the frame from the Viewer hex window and paste it into the FPD header and payload sections. I can now send that frame one time or repeatedly depending on how I've written my control information. I can instruct the Traffic Generator to send multiple definitions at the same time, or fully control it using the Investigator API, which allows you to create your own test program and even integrate it with other test equipment. But no matter what you use to create your traffic pattern, you now have the ability to generate frames or packets that will stress a device under test, whether by sending it error traffic or by flooding all ports simultaneously with full line rate traffic. All tests carefully designed and repeatable. Analysis, traffic generation, error injection, bit error rate test, impairment and test automation. No other test tool is as comprehensive or versatile as Investigator from Absolute Analysis. To learn more and to schedule a free demo, go to www.absoluteanalysis.com or email sales@absoluteanalysis.com.